Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now, I think we owe an entire classification of pearls an apology, or at least I do. We've always thought this whole time that color powder HyperShift's had the advantage. They were easier to use, you spray them over black, you get solid coverage, there's not much to worry about, and you're good to go. We've always taken the white powder HyperShift's, and color shifts for that matter, put them to the side and said, yeah, not for us. Until I realized their secret power. You can take a white powder HyperShift and put it over any color base and get basically an amazing result because it plays off of that base, allows that base to come through, and then gives you those hypershifting effect on top. We've done it before, we're doing it today. I'm gonna be putting ZGN HyperShift, a wild pearl, right over top of Grabber Blue. I think it's gonna look awesome on the Evo. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project, and I'm not gonna BS you. There was not a lot of wondering and pondering on my side, wondering, I don't know, maybe this one's gonna look good, or maybe it'll be a disaster. No, there's no way this one was gonna be a disaster. You put a white color HyperShift over a bright color base, and you got yourself a winner. Almost guaranteed every single time, no different this time. If you want to dip your car, click right up here. We have a ton of colors and kits to choose from. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. What I want you to do is look at this car outside, leave a comment below, and give me an idea of what you would name this color. I can't wait to see what you guys have to come up with. I'll see you guys on the next video. So what we're gonna do on the Evo is a grabber blue base and ZTN hypershift, not ZTN, it's not that one, it's the other one. So we're gonna be doing what is it? So we're gonna be doing grabber blue as a base with not T, G. So we're gonna be doing grabber blue as a base with ZGN hypershift.